Hello everyone, it's 20th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have AI to monitor government land encroachment in Greater Noida. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have SCHC concern over kids' health. Pollution watchdog halts November-December NCR sports events. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have it's now right to life versus right to education, where very pattern of childhood has changed. Again, very important for pollution as well as environment perspective. Then we have fewer farm fires, but NCR cities India's most polluted. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have behind rupees 10,000 scheme in Bihar, key role played by Sarma. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have NCDC disbursed rupees 95,200 crore in financial year 25 to Coop Society, says Amit Shah. Again, very important. Then we have PM to attend G20 summit in South Africa tomorrow. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Vogue Jaishankar to hold talks today. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Afghan Commerce Minister visits India, likely to meet Goyal. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have two very important editorials. Global South is redefining credible climate action. COP30 must acknowledge this. Then we have to rescue Delhi air, steer away from either or solutions. Again, both the editorials are very important. Then we have declared extinct decades ago, a tiger returns to new home in Gujarat forest. Again, very important. Then we have China ran disinformation campaign against Rafale after Operation Sindoor US report. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Going forward, we have what kind of thing is this? SC on Talaq-e-Hasan practice. Again, very important. Then we have 240 films, 81 countries, inaugural parade, IFFI to open with a splash today. Again, very important. That is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.